In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change nickname on FTMO. Here's the straightforward truth so you know exactly what to expect. FTMO doesn't have a standard change nickname button like you might see on social platforms. The system is built around your real name because of verification and compliance requirements, so the name on your main account is tied to your identification documents. That said, there is a limited place where a nickname can be used, and I'll show you how that works and what it does and doesn't change. If you're looking to use a nickname purely for display, the spot to do that is when you generate or share your FTMO certificate. During the certificate creation or sharing process, you may see a field that lets you choose a nickname. If it's available to you, enter the nickname you want, confirm, and proceed. This nickname will show on the certificate or the shared version of your results. It's a nice way to keep your personal name private when showcasing performance publicly. Just remember, this is cosmetic and limited to that context. It does not alter your actual FTMO account name, and it won't affect your verification status, your login, or anything related to compliance. Now, if what you want is to change your actual name on the account, that's a different process, and it's stricter by design. Your FTMO account name must match your government-issued ID and the details you use for payments or withdrawals. You typically can't edit this yourself in the dashboard. To make a legitimate change, like correcting a typo or updating a legal name, you need to contact FTMO support and provide proof. Their email and live chat support operate around the clock, and they'll guide you on the documents required and the steps to complete the update. Here's the bottom line for what you should do. For a nickname or display name, head to the certificate or share section in your client area and set your nickname there if the option is available. Keep it professional and consistent, since it will represent you on the shared certificate. For anything to do with your real account name, go directly to support and be prepared to verify your identity. A quick but important tip to avoid headaches: make sure your name matches across your ID and your payment or withdrawal details. Mismatched names can lead to verification delays or even account issues. Take a moment to double-check before submitting anything, and when in doubt, ask support to confirm you're doing it right.